Let's talk about the most important concept in the database, the primary key. So, what happens most of the time is that the customers might have similar details like the name of the customers, the city they belong to, and even the other similar details could be same. So, how will we identify the customer then? So, that is where the concept of primary key comes in, where every customer will be flagged with a unique identity, and no two customers will have the same primary key, and it is also think that primary key can never be null. Businesses rely on primary key because they can avoid duplicates as well as the data remains accurate, whether it's customers or the products or even the employees or whatsoever the data is. Everything has to have a unique identifier. And one more thing is, say for example, take Aadhaar card or passport number. Say for example, the names might be same or any other details could be same, but no two-person can have the same Aadhaar number or passport number, right? It's the similar way, and primary key is similar to that. In a real e-commerce project, what happens is basically every customer will have the different customer ID, because say for example there are two customers named Tanushri, but still their customer IDs will be different, and that is why primary key plays a very important block while building any kind of databases. Else it's very hard to identify the customers or whatsoever data, it's very hard to identify.